YouTube, good afternoon. Followers, good afternoon. Happy St. Patrick's Day. This is Jason. Got a quick update video for you. I ended up taking more trades today. I had some in and outs on ES futures. Had a really good one here. What we saw was I had a break below this breakout here, rode this all the way down to just below this SPX Gamma level and closed out. Had two contracts on that. So that brings my futures profits for today up to $1,000. So pretty happy with that. And then if you look at this is the 6715 Gamma Wall on SPX. So let's look at that Gamma Wall. This is pretty special. So this is the GEX Dashboard. Look at this. You see this wall? 6715. I have been playing off this positive Gamma Wall of 6715 that has just been growing and growing all day long with SPX. Every time we get to 6715, I'm buying against it. Futures and credit spreads, I'm buying against it. Anytime you see negative gamma, huge positive gamma, and growing, and how do I know it's growing? Because I am watching it grow in my options tracker. I am watching the 6715. I am watching calls get sold and puts get sold against that. So I know that that wall is going to grow and hold up. So if you're watching SPX price, we have touched. We pull this chart down. Oh, I just screwed that up, so I can't click the wrong button. If you're watching that, you know that that wall is going to hold. So as SPX has come down to 67.15 a couple times, it's gone right back up. Anyway, did another couple $100 in credit spreads on SPX. Oh, 170 in and out. Just one. I was trading one lot because man, it was a tricky day. But hey, money's money, and I will absolutely take it. So if you notice, we've got the ES. You see that? That's the June contract, right? January, February, March, April, May, June. Yep. So it's the June contract, but this is the monthly OPEX SPX. So your gap between SPX and ES is about 50 points. So my custom HUD and my two custom indicators that I use to pull in the real-time gamma and GEX exposure for SPX and translate it to ES maps that for me. I just plug in that gap and it moves that gap up to the ES. And you look at ES, every time ES has come down to that, bam, back up. Down to 67.15. Well, on ES, it's 67.68-ish. Back up. Hit it, back up. Hit it, back up. Guys, GEX exposure is the real deal. I'm not telling you you're going to get rich off it. I'm telling you that you need to add it to your trading because it is the options market and the market makers that moves the market. It is not indicators. It is not people calling out things on discords. It is not the news. You have got to know where the gamma is. If you know where it is, it makes all your other trading just as good and just as effective. I am working on that for NQ. Almost got it done. Here you can see those gamma exposures. I'm also working on a couple other custom indicators that I'm writing the code for. One of them is a fair value gap that incorporates institutional volume. But here's NQ. This is your 0 DTE put wall, 24/710. That's been holding strong. Got a huge call wall in front of it, man. So I'd suspect by the end of the day, I'm not telling you to trade this, but by the end of the day, we might see this pop on down there. Put wall above that, minor put wall. Anyway, almost done with building this out for NQ. If you like this stuff, you're interested in getting some free GEX exposure, there's one company I know that charges $330 a month. There's a couple others around that charge $150 a month, and some that charge $50 or $60 a month. Only one of them I know of. You can map it onto your trading chart to NinjaTrader and a few others. The rest are just web interfaces that you got to go watch. But I'm bringing it to you free. So if you like it, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends. My name's Jason. I'm a 25-year Air Force veteran, still serving, proud to serve, love to do it. But love the trading community, just really into this stuff. Just love the trading, love the people around it. Hope to meet some of you guys and help make a couple $100. So hey, if you do, drop in the comments what you spend it on, what you want, what you plan to spend it on. I like to spend it on my kids because I love my kids more than anything. And oh, by the way, they watch these videos and they always ask me to say hi to them, so I'm going to. Hi, Claire. Hi, Molly. I love you guys. See you later.